Welcome to lesson 82, comparing all function families. So again, we're going to tie all the stuff together that we've learned about shifts from A, H, and K, and that's what we're going to work on today. So using our knowledge of transformations to accurately describe those changes and to graph the changes if a question is asking us to. So let's jump in. And so here's our first one. We have f of x, and now we have f of x plus 1 plus 2. So we're looking to identify what's changed, and it could be a combination of things, but A, H, or K. Now from what I see here, to go from the original f of x to this, the two changes we're noticing are in the H and in the K. So that means we're going to have a horizontal shift and a vertical shift. So that's what we know. Since H is a positive 1, that means we're going to go to the left one time, and since K is a positive 2, we're going to go up 2 times. So that's what we know is going to happen. And to graph that without using a graphing calculator, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some points, and I'm just going to use these 3 points to help guide me, and I'm going to just make those shifts up to the left once and up 2. So that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to go left once, up 2, up to this point. So that's literally all I'm doing. So here's my new point for this one, just so you can see it. I'll do the second one in red, so you can see that one. And I'll do the third one, I guess I'll do the third one also in red. Okay, so those are our new points. And the only last part I have to do is to now, whoop, whoop, and that's it. And that's all I did. Left once, up 2, left once, up 2, left once, up 2. And we are done with our graph. So hit pause and jot this down. This is how I'm sketching using what I know about transformations in the equation. All right, I think you can try this one on your own, a sketch. It does not have to be beautifully perfect, especially since this is not an easy shape to graph, but this is what you're gonna do. Here's your guided practice. Richard is asked to transform the graph of B of H. The graph of B of H is transformed using the equation H of H is equal to B parentheses H minus 2 minus 3. Describe how the graph is changed. And after you do it, try to do a sketch. Let's just push ourselves to try it and see how it goes. To give you a little bit of support, I tend to you make 2 points somewhere. Like this is a nice easy point I can see the actual coordinate pairs. So if you want to try sketching it, you can do something like that. All right, hit pause and go at it with the guided practice. All right, so let's see what you came up with. Just looking again, what are you noticing? Did you notice a shift happening, a transformation based on A, H, or K? So take a look. So what I'm seeing honestly is nothing in H, but I am seeing H and K. So because I see a negative 2 happening here, the negative 2, we know that we're going to shift. Since it's negative, we're going to go to the left 2 times. That's a little confusing. I drew that arrow in that direction, so let me get rid of that. And our vertical shift is a negative 3. So we're going to go down 3. And that's all you really needed to answer this question. You just had to say your graph would shift to the left twice and down 3. So that would be it. If you wanted to try and graph this out, you could. It wouldn't be as easy, but I'll try using this as a point. So I would just go to the left 2, 1, 2, and down 3, 1, 2, 3. So it would be somewhere down here. I'll try using this point too. So to the left 2, 1, 2, and down 1, 2, 3. And left 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, so not too easy to do. Left 2, down 1, 2, and 3. So it's gonna kind of look like this. Again, not perfect, but that's okay. This is just us practicing. All we really had to be able to do was describe the transformations, which we did, and we just did a little push to try and create the graph using some of the points. That's it for today. Use this just for practice. Sometimes practice feels uncomfortable because we want to get it right. But honestly, just trying it is the big win, and just seeing what happens using the information we know about transformations. I'll see you in the next lesson, Math Marbles. Be well.